Welcome to the unboxing video for the Optimus 2X. Today we'll be showing you how to set up the unit by putting the SIM card in and also the features of what's inside the box. First of all, the box comes in a sleeve, so if you'd like to just remove the sleeve down. And then over the top there's a film which you can actually just slide open here. This is the handset, which will actually come out on a tray. You've also got inside the box is the charger, the battery, hands-free kit, USB data cable, and finally the instruction manual. So what we will start off with is by actually inserting the SIM into the handset. So on the back side, on here at the bottom, you'll find there is a little slot where you can actually put your thumb, and if you actually just pull it up, it'll actually just come away as such. You'll see on here you have a micro SD slot, and there isn't actually a micro SD on this handset, and that's because it's got 8 gig internal, but if you did want to put one in, you could expand that up to 32 gig. This is also where the SIM card goes, and we'll do that in a second. And finally on here, that's the 3 pins for where we're going to put the battery. So if we actually take our SIM card and place it into here, what you'll find is it just slots up with the cut on the side as such. And then what we can do is actually then place our battery. So as I just said, there's 3 pins actually on here, and we're going to put these pins onto that, push it in, connect it there, and that's where it sits into it. If we take the back cover, what we can then do is match up the lens with the actual camera. So we put that on the top, so top first, and then if we just press down and all around the edges, you find that it connects together. So also what we can actually do on here is, this is the on button, so we will actually turn the handset on first of all, and I'll show you if the LG sign comes on. But while we are at the top, I can actually explain the other things. We've actually got a 3.5mm jack on top as well, and that will be used for the hands-free kit that comes with it, or if you want to use your own headset. Also you'll see on here there's a port for a HDMI cable, and what that allows you to do is, it will not come with it inside the box at the moment, but you can buy that separately, but it will allow you to actually connect it to a TV. That way that you can actually then do whatever's on your handset onto the actual television. So if you just heard then, the actual unit is starting up. What I will actually show you first of all, while that is the charger. So the USB data cable, this actually connects into a computer or a laptop, and then also connects into the bottom of the phone. And what you can also do is connect it into the bottom of the charger. So this will actually just slot in as such, and it will only actually fit into the unit one way anyway, so if you actually put it into the bottom, just on here. So if you can actually see, the handset's already. So what that actually means on here is there is an exit button, and we can exit out of this setup wizard, but it is actually recommended that you do go through the setup wizard. So as it says, tap here to start. The reason that you want to do this is because this is, for example, how to set up your date, your time. The next screen is quite important because this is about adding a Google account. Everything on this handset needs to access a Google account of sorts. So if you don't actually have one, it will actually ask you to create one or sign in one there and then. Once you've either signed in or created an account, that's it, the handset is ready to go. So that's the unboxing video for the Optimus 2X. I hope you enjoy.